Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to discuss about cheapest web hosting in the world. So let's see how much the cost of the Alpha Rapid. If you have one website, you need to pay 99 rupees per year standard plan. You can buy from here, and if you have a three website, you can purchase from this web plan. Pro plan is a three website. What is the feature of this particular plan? You can check. Everything is similar to every plan. One website, unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, subdomain unlimited, email account, everything is similar. And disk ssd, wow, amazing. And free ssl certificate. And if you want to wordpress host in this particular server, you can host php website you can host, and uptime is 99.98%, amazing. 30 days money back guarantee also is there. And I got one reference from my colleague. He's really amazing. You can post your website only 99 rupees plan per year. And if you want a pro plan, you can buy from this. Everything is same. And if you want a turbo plan, you can check here. 999 per year is amazing experience I have ever. And I have also access from this. I got I purchased this one. I have three websites, so I purchased pro plan. So I'm going to show you. This is my panel. And if you have any doubt related to Alpha Rapid, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve a query. And look here, login. I'm going to if you want to register, you can click on the register. That's it. And you need to put your information like first name, last name, email id, phone number, company. You can put here. And after that, click on login. And I have already account, so I'm going to click here login. Now you can check my dashboard is here, and you can check if you need any support, so you can get here. And open ticket if you want, you can here. And billing information, you can do invoice and your domain related, you can check here. So I have this service activated right now. I'm going to click here, my products and services. Now you can check here standard plan I have purchased. And dreamland, I have one domain, this one. And I'm going to click here active. Now click on login to cpanel. You can check a lot of services is here. Now you can check here. If you want install WordPress, you can install from here. And if you want to install PrestaShop, you can install from here. Joomla, and a lot of CMS also is present here. PHP 7 CMS, and these are the some CMS. Okay, so you can use any CMS whatever you want. And these are categorized social networking, wikis, and whatever you want you can install. And if you have any doubt related to Alpha Rabbit, please let me know. Definitely I will try to resolve the query. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve the query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.